Dear community, we launched Onus Tap 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 with the initial goal of growing users for the Onus ecosystem, and we found it a great channel to expand the Onus ecosystem worldwide. We would like to thank the entire community for accompanying and supporting us during the past 3 months, which was a period of great growth for Onus. As previously announced, the listing schedule is expected to occur in September 2024. Regrettably, the Onus spot trading product and the integration of the web in-app to serve our global users have not been finalized as scheduled. After a thorough evaluation, we must inform you that ONX will postpone the listing schedule until the completion of these 2 products. The timeline is projected for the final week of November. The completion of spot trading and web in-app is extremely important to facilitate the listing of ONX and enable all users to withdraw ONX and trade, buy, sell ONX on the Onus exchange. Currently, only 5% can withdraw, a very small number compared to the total ONX users. We hope that 100% of users can actually withdraw ONX and trade on the platform. This will be a leap forward for the ecosystem, the Onus community, and the Onus holders. In addition, currently, there are many other applications on Telegram with a larger user base than ONX. So listing right now does not bring an advantage to Onus Tap Tap Tap. Listing also means ending the expansion of new users for Onus, which is not beneficial for the entire ecosystem when we already have more than 7 million users, and this number is still growing. Extending the listing will of course affect the inflation of ONX. We understand that. However, ONX is still generating revenue to ensure liquidity for the ONX listing, check-in, viewing ads, farming, and many utilities that are about to be launched. We will also limit the maximum amount that can be earned from some passive features so that there is not too much difference between users, especially to create more opportunities for newcomers. Specifically, set a maximum commission limit of 10 million ONX per 1 user. Revoke all ONX earned from cheat/bot users. Revoke ONX from fake accounts. Limit some ONX passive earn features, and some other necessary actions that we will announce later. We are sorry to keep everyone waiting, but in the meantime, you can still earn ONX from tap, farming, friends, task, check-in, and you can still cash out ONX through the launch pool programs that we will continue to deploy on the Onus ecosystem. We are working on projects. It is expected that there will be 5 to 10 more launch pool projects deployed until ONX is officially listed. We hope that the community will understand us. Kindly carry on earning ONX, sign up for the launch pool, or hold off until the day ONX is listed for trade. Thank you all.